So the first time, Chris told me about Laura, I could see the look in his eye, I could feel the excitement in his voice. He knew she was something special, and I got to know her a little bit, and I could see them interact, and I knew she was something special for him as well.
Chris and Laura, take a moment individually to reflect on the countless events of life that you've experienced thus far. The places you've gone, the paths you've traveled. They've all culminated to right now. Every single footstep in your life, from your very first to right now, has led you here for this very moment.
I was thinking the last couple of days, it's amazing to me that little girl with pigtails is now getting married. But I have been blessed with an amazing, beautiful, caring, kind, and a daughter that's strong and become, a very strong and smart woman. And Laura, I have to tell you, I could not be more proud of who you've become. I love you very much. And watching the love that they have for each other and just the look that they have. He makes her happy, he makes her laugh, they have a ton of fun together. Really makes me very proud. We all wish you nothing but a bright, bright future, a lifetime full of fun, laughter, happiness. We all love you very much. Congratulations. Hear, hear.
Happy for him. He found somebody really good, like the greatest woman he could ever have. She's perfect for him.
The love you had for me, Camino, doesn't even compare to the love that Chris has for you. And Chris, I love you, and I'm so happy to have you as a brother, but more than anything, I'm happy to have you as Laura's husband.
Carol and I really have enjoyed seeing so many friends and new friends and friends that we haven't seen in so long come out to this special occasion for Laura and Chris's wedding. A toast to Chris and Laura. We love you guys, and thank everybody for being here.
But as you look around, I hope you both feel so loved. And you know that you not only got each other, but the love and support of so many others.
By the power entrusted to me, we got our Creator. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Chris, you may kiss your bride. It's my great honor to introduce to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Chris Mann.